I'm Adamm Gritlefeld. I own Adamm Stained Glass and Gallery. I came into this location in 1980, and I've been here 39 years, 44 years totally in business. We make custom stained glass windows. We do Tiffany lamps, bevel glass, etched glass. We do a lot of historic preservation. These are all blown glass, European blown glass. I was a Navy pilot, and I was based out of San Francisco, and I just took it up as a hobby. I was fascinated with it. I was doing craft shows, and I was trying to get on with the airlines. I eventually got on with American for a short week when they hired and then furloughed 350 pilots, and so I started my business then. I represent about 220 artists, and most of it's all blown glass. Some of it's slumped glass, cast glass, fused glass, but a whole variety from artists all over the country. There's mostly all US. There's a handful, 3 or 4 of Canadians and 1 Australian artist that's a buddy of mine. Mostly I do the business end of that, but I do some of it. I enjoy it. I don't have time to do a lot of it. So my guys are in the back working. And then we did Stouffer Chapel at Pepperdine window. This was about 40 feet by 45 feet. Actually, right down here in Santa Monica, we've done a lot of work at Woodlawn Cemetery. So it's getting harder and harder to get people in the front door. And I mean, the internet works there because tourists come in, they can find me on the internet, and we have a good presence there. I like to look for something that's different, that people are attracted to. They say, wow, they're amazed by what it is, the color, especially sculptures people like. Ideally, I'm looking for something that knocks my socks off.